Hi, I'm Christella from Fayi, and in case you don't know, Fayi is Greek for food. Today I'm bringing you a recipe from my pre-detox treat that's in collaboration with Dr. Sandra Cabot. Today I'm cooking you a cheese and bacon onion breakfast muffin. So to start off, I need to get you to preheat your oven to 180 degrees fan force. And what I'm going to do is start off by milling some flax seeds. So I've got some whole flax seeds here. You can buy it pre-milled if you prefer, but I just like the freshness of milling my own flax seeds. So I'm going to add them to the bowl. I have 45 grams. Now I'm going to mill that for 10 seconds, speed 10. So once you mill down those flax seeds, just transfer them straight into another bowl. Now, without washing your bowl, add your cheese. So I have 70 grams of just some cheddar cheese, just roughly chopped up. And I'm going to chop those for 3 seconds on speed 7. Now add the chopped cheese to the same bowl that you've chopped up your flax seeds. Okay, now we're just going to add just the sweet potato, which also I've peeled and just roughly chopped up. They don't even have to be the same size pieces. Make sure they're small enough so that their Thermomix can chop them up. Add them to the bowl. And we're going to chop them just for 3 seconds on speed 7. And you can go ahead and add that as well to the bowl that you're chopping up. And that'll all be mixed in at the end. So let's just add that all in. So I am just going to add some parsley into my bowl. This is about 5 grams. And that's for 3 seconds, speed 7. Now, without scraping down your bowl, what I'll get you to do is add in your onion, which I've just peeled and halved. So I'm using a brown onion. I'm also going to be adding in some leek. I've got 100 grams of leek and some bacon, which I've got 135 grams of bacon. Now, the bacon I have just, again, roughly chopped because they were really big pieces. You just won't shred them properly if you don't chop them just a little bit. Add all that in. Now we're going to chop that for 3 seconds on speed 5. Now we're going to scrape down the sides of the bowl and add a little bit of oil and start sauteing that so it can start to cook. So I'm going to add 30 grams of olive oil. So we're going to cook that for 5 minutes, 100 degrees. 5 minutes, 100 degrees, reverse. Your slower speed, so that's just the spoon speed. So that's going to saute and start creating all those beautiful flavors. You really get the onion to have some softness to it, so when it's added into the muffin mixture, it's not so strong flavored. Now to finish off, it's as simple as adding all your other ingredients. So I have 50 grams of almond meal, a little bit of salt. I'll add those in. Then I have got 6 eggs and I've added 80 grams of water as well. So I'll add those ones in. Make sure you also remember to add all the chopped ingredients that you've chopped at the beginning. Now that water will really help those flax seeds to gel, and that's what gives you your sort of texture when you're doing this sort of grain-free cooking. So now we're just going to mix all that together. So for 15 seconds, reverse speed 3. And that's your mixture done. Now I'm going to use some spoons to put them all into my muffin trays. You can use patty cases if you prefer, but I'm just using silicone oil so that it come out easier. Now pop these in the oven for 25 minutes and they'll be done.